All right, so now we're going to steam up the milk for our single mocha. I'll pour some milk into our milk steaming pitcher here. I'm going to be making this single mocha in a 14-ounce cup. So in that size cup, I'm going to fill the milk up right up to this ridge. Kind of see how much milk is in that pitcher there. Then I'm going to steam up the milk for the mocha. I'm going to do this in 3 processes. First, position the pitcher over the steam wand so that when I turn the steam wand on, the milk is swirling around in a circle inside the pitcher. You do that until you feel the milk temperature just kind of break right when it warms up, right when it kind of matches the temperature of your hand. And then you're going to drop it down until the tip of the steam wand is just barely above the surface of the milk. And that begins introducing air into the milk. And you're going to be able to hear that change. And that's where you're making the foam for the drink. You're going to be doing that for about 5 seconds. And then bring the pitcher back up. Submerge the steam wand into the milk, and then get it swirling inside the pitcher again until it's at the right temperature that you want it at.